Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We publish new videos every day. Don't forget, grab your smartphone and download the Lava Matra app and stay in touch. Guru Maharaj's message is your advantage. The following is a Sri Krishna Chaitanya book compilation given by His Holiness Jaya Pataka Swami Maharaj on June 8th, 2021 in Sri Mayapur, India.
Pangung Langayate Girim Yatkripa Tamaham Vande Shri Gurum Deenatarinam Paramananda Madhavam Shri Chaitanya Hari Om Tat Sat. Hare Krishna, dear devotees. Today we will continue with the compilation of the Sri Krishna Chaitanya book. Today's chapter is entitled, With Great Eagerness and Respect, the Drunkard Muslim Governor submits petition to meet Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Under the section, the Lord's attempt to go to Vrindavan. Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya Leela 16.150.
যাজপুরে মহাপাত্রদ্বয়কে প্রভুর বিদায় প্রদান। দুই রাজপাত্র যেই প্রভু সঙ্গে যায়, যাজপুর আসি প্রভু তারে দিলেন বিদায়।
When Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and his party arrived at Yajpur, the Lord asked the two government officers who had come with him to return. Purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. The place called Yajpur is very well known in Orissa. It is a subdivision of the Cuttack district and is situated on the southern side of the Vaitarani river. Formerly, great sages performed sacrifices on the northern bank of the Vaitarani river. Consequently, the place is known as Yajpur, the place where sacrifices are performed. Some people say that this was one of the capital cities of King Yayati, and that from the name Yayati Nagara, the name Yajpur has come, as stated in the Mahabharata Vanaparva, chapter 114. According to the Mahabharata, great sages formerly performed sacrifices in this place. There are still many temples of demigods and incarnations there. And there is also a deity of Sri Varahadev. This deity is especially important and is visited by many pilgrims. Those who worship the Supreme Lord's energy worship Varahi, Vaishnavi, and Indrani, as well as many similar forms of Devi, the internal energy. There are many deities of Lord Shiva, and there are many places along the river known as Dasa Ashwamedha Ghat. Sometimes Yajpur is also called Nabhighaya or Viraja Kshetra.
So, on the way to Jagannath Puri, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu visited Yajpur.
So, on the way to Jagannath Puri, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu visited Yajpur
and saw various temples. So this place is a very important place of pilgrimage.
So this place is a very important place of pilgrimage
within the
Sri Kshetra. CC Madhya 16.151-52.
সঙ্গী রায়ের সহিত প্রভুর সর্বদা কৃষ্ণ কথালাপ। প্রভু বিদায় দিল রায় যার তার শোনে, কৃষ্ণ কথা রামানন্দ শোনে রাত্রি দিনে।
Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu bade farewell to the officers, and Rai Ramananda continued on with the Lord. The Lord talked to Rai Ramananda Rai about Shri Krishna Day and Night. CC Madhya 16.152.
রাজা দেশে প্রতি গ্রামে রাজ কর্মচারীগণের প্রভুকে অভ্যর্থনা। প্রতি গ্রামে রাজ আজ্ঞায় রাজভৃত্যগণ, নাব্যগৃহে নানা দ্রব্যে কর এ সেবন।
In each and every village, in compliance with the king's order, government officers constructed new houses and filled each of them with stocks of grain. Thus, they served the Lord. CC Madhya 16.153.
রেমুনায় রায়কে বিদায় প্রদান। এই মতো চলি প্রভু রেমুনা আইলা, তথা হইতে রামানন্দ রায়ে বিদায় দিলা।
Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu finally arrived at Remuna, where he bade farewell to Sri Ramananda Rai. Purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. It was stated in the first chapter of Madhya Leela, verse 149, that Ramananda Rai was bid farewell from Bhadrak. Srila Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur states that in those days the place called Remuna also included Bhadrak.
In Bhadrak, there's a river flowing,
In Bhadrak there is a river flowing,
and it's stated that Lord Chaitanya bade farewell to Ramananda Rai.
so in Bhadrak there is a river flowing, and it is stated that Lord Chaitanya bade farewell to Ramananda Rai,
And Ramananda Rai fainted also,
and Ramananda Rai fainted also,
not bearing the separation from Lord Chaitanya.
not bearing the separation from Lord Chaitanya.
This apparently in those days,
Apparently in those days
Bhadrak was considered part of Ramona.
Bhadrak was considered as a part of Remuna. CC Madhya 16.154.
রায়ের মূর্ছা প্রভুর ক্রন্দন। ভূমিতে পড়িলা রায় নাহিক চেতন, রায়ে কোলে করি প্রভু কর এ ক্রন্দন।
When Ramananda Rai fell to the ground, lost consciousness, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took him upon his lap and began to cry. CC Madhya 16.155.
রায়ের প্রভু বিচ্ছেদ অবর্ণনীয়। রায়ের বিদায় ভাব না যায় সহন, কহিতে না পারি এই তাহার বর্ণন।
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's feelings of separation from Ramananda Rai are very difficult to describe. Indeed, it is almost intolerable to do so, and therefore I cannot describe them further. CC Madhya 16.156.
উড়িষ্যা সীমানায় আগমন, রাজকর্মচারীর প্রভু সেবা। তবে ঔড় দেশে সীমা প্রভু চলি আইলা, তথা রাজ অধিকারী প্রভুরে মিলিলা।
When Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu finally arrived at the border of the state of Orissa, a government officer came there to meet him. CC Madhya 16.157.
দিন দুই চারি তেহ করিল সেবন, আগে চলিবারে সেই কহে বিবরণ।
For 2 or 4 days, the government officer served the Lord. He also gave the Lord detailed information of what was ahead.
Since the border of Orissa was the limit of the kingdom of King Prataparudra,
Since the border of Orissa is the limit of the kingdom of King Prataparudra,
and after that,
and after that,
he'd be going into the Muslim Empire.
After that, he would be going into the Muslim empire.
So, after now, he received all the facilities
So, up to now, he received all facilities
on the order of King Prataprudra.
on the order of King Prataprudra.
But from here on,
But from here on,
it was a different kingdom.
it was a different kingdom. CC Madhya 16.158.
প্রভুকে রাজকর্মচারীর হিন্দু ও মুসলিম রাজ্যসীমা নির্দেশ ও পথ বিবরণ প্রদান। মদ্যপ যবন রাজার আগে অধিকার, তার ভয়ে পথে কেহ নারে চলিবার।
He informed the Lord that the territory ahead was ruled by a Muslim governor who was a drunkard. Out of fear of this king, no one could walk the road freely. CC Madhya 16.159.
পিছলদা পর্যন্ত সব তার অধিকার, তার ভয়ে নদী কেহ হইতে নারে পার।
The jurisdiction of the Muslim government extended up to Pichlada. Due to fear of the Muslims, no one would cross the river. Purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. During the old days, Pichlada was a part of Tamluk and Bengal. Pichlada is located about 14 miles south of Tamluk. The river Rupanarayana is well known in Tamluk, and Pichlada was situated on the bank of Rupanarayana river. CC Madhya 16.160.
মুসলিম শাসক সহ সন্ধির পর প্রভুর গমন বিষয়ে সহায়তা অঙ্গীকার। দিন কত রহ সন্ধি করি তার সনে, তবে সুখে নৌকাতে করিব গমনে।
Maharaj Prataprudras government officer further informed Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu that he should stay at the Orissa border for some days so that a peaceful agreement could be negotiated with the Muslim governor. In that way, the Lord would be able to cross the river peacefully in a boat.
Do you like our ad-free videos? Be sure to subscribe to our channel. We publish new videos every day, and don't forget to like and share our channel.